Hello, I'm Danny, a service coordinator at the Regional Center here in Sunnytown, California. Today, I'd like to discuss requirement number 5 of the HCBS Final Rule, choosing services and support. You get to decide who your service providers and staff are. Whether at home or during the day, you choose who supports you. And you have the right to change providers if you want. Stephen and Dexter learned this from a kale salad, a cup of ramen, and debatably, Kevin Costner's best film.
Hi, Dexter. I made you lunch.
Thank you, Marcia. I knew you would be an excellent yeoman. Lanterman's yeoman was also named Marcia.
I hope you didn't choose me just because my name is Marcia.
No, of course not. But you do look a lot like Jane Eaton. She's the actress who plays Yeoman Marcia. What's this?
It's lunch.
I have chicken-flavored cup of ramen for lunch.
Dude, you shouldn't have chicken ramen for every meal.
I don't. I have shrimp-flavored ramen for dinner.
Well, today I thought we'd try something new. And let's eat outside.
Outside?
Your eyes can deceive you. Close them and use the Force.
Close my eyes? Are you sure you know how to play softball?
Yeah, I've seen Field of Dreams like 1,000,000 times. If you build it, he will come.
Build what? Who's coming?
You're killing me, Smalls!
Is that another movie?
Wait, tell me you've seen The Sandlot.
I don't live in a movie theater.
Well, you are missing out. Let's take a break and have a snack. For the Jedi, it is time to eat. Huh? Right? Yeah?
I can't eat that. I'm in training.
Well, then let's go inside and get you something you can eat. And we get the cup, put the water in, run it through the nuke, and it's ready. 1, 2, 3. Here you go, man. This will hold you till Nova gets back.
Hey, bud. Want to trade lunches?
That is acceptable.
You're lucky to have Marcia. Her salads are a home run.
You are fortunate as well. Lucas has mastered the mystical art of ramen.
Yeah, but he can't catch a ball.
Well, at least he doesn't make you go outside.
Dudes, we are literally standing right here.
We should switch.
Lunches? We did that.
No, we should switch staff.
Nova!
Oh, hey guys.
Make way for Lanterman! Jumping Jupiter's rings! Follow that saucer!
And you know what the Blurg Blarks would say about this.
Blark, blark!
Just keep your eye on the ball. Home run! Are you sure you've never played softball before?
Yep, and I sure like training with you.
You're a natural, bud.
Thanks, Stephen. Want a snack?
You bet.
Stephen and Dexter ended up with their perfect support staff. Everyone has the right to choose their service providers and the people who support them. Remember, your planning team strives to be person-centered in all they do. And that person in the center is you.